Hey, I just want to share with you the DIY Brazilian blowout with Icare. Of course, I want my hair to look smooth, manageable, and straight as well. And I wanted it to be rebonded, but the color doesn't permit me to do so because, as you can see, half is black and half has color. And I want it to be whole black before it be rebonded. I tried Brazilian Blowout at a parlor, but it is costly. It costs 700 pesos. It lasts for a few months, but it looks great. Smooth talaga. And since it is costly, I tried to bought at outside, like Icare. I bought it in Yashano Mall, worth 120 pesos only. So I will take a risk and I'll show you the result of this. At first, I used my used clothes to protect my underclothes and this zip it to keep them bind. Then let's do. First, I will put it here. Of course, before you buy, be sure it is sealed, as you can see, and there's an instruction and very easy, simple to follow. I will just put the instructions below. And the first instructions is shampoo your hair twice, then rinse thoroughly. So naligo na ako and dry na siya. Pwede na siyang applyan. Let's put it here so madali lang siya pagkuha-kuha. It smells good. It smells good. Oh my gosh, sana maging okay ang result and huwag masira ang buhok natin. Sana. My hair is makapal and buhag-hag, that's why. Like that. Okay. I don't have tools in the house, that's why kung ano lang makita kung pwede na yun. Let's try. Try natin sa ilalim. Use clamp. Oh, okay. The instruction next is pakaligo nyo, dry it. Remove excess moisture using towel, then blow dry hair. So, blow dry. Na-blow dry ko na siya. Application. Lightly dust solution and comb it through hair, working from root to end. Wait 30 minutes to 1 hour. So, i-apply natin from root to end. But, for me, since first time natin itong gagawin ko, hindi ko siya ilalagay sa roots. Maybe, maglalagay tayo ng allowance ng konti. Para kung masira man yung hair natin, hindi totally sa roots. So, try. So, I don't have plastic gloves. I will just try to use my hand. I think. Tala na. Okay. Let's make it fast. Put a mask pala. So. don't forget also to put some mask para protection talaga. So, we're done applying. And of course, ito palang one bottle contains 100 ml. So, saktong-sakto lang siya sa buhok ko. So, sabi dito, wait 30 minutes to 1 hour. So, maghugas muna ako. In fairness, it smells good, but of course, you must put mask on for your safety and hindi siya mahapdi sa mata as you applied it. Sayang ng oras, maghihintay na after 1 hour, so I will just to have a review, then I'll get back on. I'm back. So after an hour, let's blow it dry. So, blow dry natin siya until maging smooth siya. After blow drying, let's do flat ironing. So what I realized is that it's so hard to iron your hair alone. Siguro dapat meron kang kasama na pwede mo mapakisuyuan na ma-plansya ng buhok mo. Even though the blow drying, ang hirap pala. So yun. So after ironing, this is the outcome. This is my hair now. So this is it. For the last instruction, you must rinse your hair after 3 days with conditioner only. I'm going to update you after 3 days. And all you have to do is to subscribe and click the notifications bell for you to be updated.